Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your Instagram filters. Let's say the camera effects filters, they're not working properly. I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix them without wasting any time. First thing you're going to do is you're going to have to check if your Instagram is updated. It can be one of the reasons why it's giving you problems. Your camera effects and your filters, they're not working. The reason could be is because your Instagram is not properly updated. So like what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Me, I'm gonna go to Play Store. Then after here, you're gonna go here on search. Then you're gonna type Instagram. Okay, as you can see guys, mine says open because mine has already been updated. If yours says update, you're gonna have to click here on update. There's gonna be an option that says update. As you can see, mine says open, it's updated. If yours says update, you're gonna have to click on update. Then after you're done updating there, you can go to your Instagram, then you can go to your filters. They will be perfectly working, guys. The only reason your filters they're not working is because your Instagram is not really updated, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this.